In this video, I'm going to explain what the Black & Decker Power Tool warranty did for me. That way you'll have a point of reference if you run into a problem with one of their products. About a year and a half ago, I bought this Black & Decker Cordless Reciprocating saw, and I recently took it out of storage to do some spring trimming. I had cut through half a branch and for some reason the saw stopped working. I knew I had fully charged batteries and tried 3 different battery packs, but the saw still wouldn't work. When I press the trigger, there's like a beep or a tone sound, and if I hold the trigger down longer, smoke will come out of the motor. Here you can barely see the puff of smoke. I didn't want to do this any longer in case the tool catches fire. And here, I'll repeat the shot if you didn't see the smoke the first time. Of course, none of the troubleshooting tips helped. But in the manual, it says there's a 2-year limited warranty from defects. So I contacted Black & Decker on their website and described the problem on a web form. They responded within a day or two and asked for pictures, model number, shipping address, and a copy of the receipt. After I sent that in, the next day I got a shipping confirmation. There was actually no explanation or other dialogue. They just went ahead and shipped out a new saw to me, which was really nice. I guess they're just trying to be efficient, but at least I've got a new reciprocating saw that works. My warranty request was quick and I received the package in less than a week. So if you have any Black & Decker tools that have problems within 2 years of purchase, it's worth it to contact customer service and see what they can do to help. Just go to the Black & Decker website and click on Submit a Request at the top of the screen. I'll have a link to that page in the description so it's easy for you to find. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.